Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Blogger login issues, account sync problems step by step clearly. Open a new browser tab and go to Blogger.com to check if the issue is only inside your current tab. Confirm you are using the correct Google account by looking at the profile icon in the top right corner. If the wrong account is selected, click the profile icon and switch to the account that owns the Blogger blog. If you see repeated sign-in prompts, fully sign out from all Google accounts and then sign in again with only one account. Close every Blogger and Google tab to prevent old sessions from forcing the wrong login state. Clear your browser cache and cookies for Google and Blogger domains to remove corrupted sync tokens. In Chrome, open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then Third-Party Cookies, and allow cookies for accounts. Google.com and Blogger.com. Disable any ad blocker or privacy extension temporarily because they can block Google authentication scripts. Turn off VPN or proxy temporarily to avoid IP or region-based security checks breaking the session. Check your device date and time settings and enable automatic time, because incorrect time can cause login verification failures. Open an incognito or private window and try to sign into Blogger there to isolate cookie and extension issues. If incognito works, return to normal mode and remove the extension that is causing the conflict. Update your browser to the latest version to ensure Google sign-in components are supported. Try a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox to confirm whether the problem is browser-specific. On your phone, turn off and on account sync for Google to refresh the authentication handshake. On Android, open Settings, Accounts, Google. Select your account, and tap Sync Now. On iPhone, update the Google app and Gmail app if you use them for sign-in, because outdated apps can break account sessions. Go to My Account, Google.com, open Security, and review recent security activity for blocked sign-in attempts. If Google flagged a login as suspicious, follow the prompts to confirm it was you and restore access. Enable two-step verification if available, because it can stabilize account security and prevent repeated lockouts. If you recently changed your password, sign out on all devices and sign in again to refresh every session token. Check if your Blogger blog is under a different Google account or Google Workspace account you no longer use. In Blogger, open Settings and verify the correct blog is listed under your current account after login. If you manage multiple blogs, confirm you are in the correct account and not a brand account without Blogger access. If you cannot see your blog, ask the blog owner to re-invite your email under Settings, Permissions, and Authors. Check your Google Drive storage and account status, because a restricted Google account can affect connected services. If the problem continues, use Google Account Recovery at Accounts, Google.com/signin/recovery, and complete the verification steps. After recovery, restart your device and try Blogger.com again with a clean single account sign-in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.